Today I'd like to tell you a little bit about scumbling with oils. Scumbling is a process of layering oil colour where a semi-opaque film overlays a darker one. Combined with glazing, scumbling has been used in the past to great effect in the works of early Renaissance painters from Giovanni Bellini onwards. Here we have some liquin and some transparent white. Liquin is a resinous medium and works well when mixing the scumbled layer. It needs to be applied thinly enough to reveal previous layer but also help to create a resilient paint film. I'm combining the liquin with transparent white as it is great for passing a thin veil over the previous layer. Look at how the scumble layer cools the black underneath. Transparent white is a great addition to the palette for scumbling. It's a form of titanium white with microscopic particles. It lays down really smooth layers compared to zinc white, where you would often see particles suspended in the film. By passing the scumble over the strip, an optical mix leaning towards blue is created. Now these oils are dry, I'm going to pass glazes over the scumbles. Scumbling is a form of optical mixing that can be applied broadly or locally. It can expand the range of mixtures achievable, can add depth to the pictorial space, and also be used to unify a painting. Look at the subtle violet created by glazing with Indian red compared with a purer violet when using alizarin crimson. Also note the optically mixed greens created here. I hope you've enjoyed this video.